In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain from Hostinger to Squarespace. If you've been looking to set up your custom domain with Squarespace, this guide will walk you through each necessary detail for a seamless connection, all from start to finish. To begin, you'll want to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. Once you're in, navigate over to the DNS Zone Editor. The DNS Zone Editor is where all the magic happens and will be crucial in linking your domain with Squarespace's services. Inside the DNS Zone Editor, you'll need to include specific records provided by Squarespace. These records are the CNAME and A records. Squarespace provides these details for a smooth connection and to ensure your domain points to the correct services they offer. Let's start with the CNAME record. This type of DNS record is used to map your domain to your Squarespace site. You'll enter the CNAME record exactly as provided, ensuring each detail is accurate. Next, focus on adding the A records. These are a different type of DNS entry used to point your website's domain to an IP address, crucial for making sure everything works cohesively. Make sure everything is typed correctly and double check for any typos or misplaced information, as even a minor error can interrupt the setup process. Once your Hostinger DNS settings are updated, continue by logging into your Squarespace account. From the dashboard, you'll need to enter your domain details. Squarespace usually guides you here, nudging you toward where you can add this newly configured domain. It's important to follow these guided steps in Squarespace to ensure everything is moving in the right direction. Now, to ensure your connection is solidified, you'll want to verify the domain connection within your Squarespace settings. Navigate to the settings area regarding domains. It should be labeled clearly. Here, you will find an option to verify your domain connection. It's a reassuring step that confirms everything has been set up correctly on both Squarespace's and Hostinger's ends. After this, all that's left is a little patience. DNS changes can take a while to propagate across the internet, often requiring up to 24 hours. This propagation time allows the new settings to update globally, routing internet traffic correctly to your website. During this period, it's perfectly normal for slight discrepancies or temporary errors if you test the domain immediately. And there you have it, folks, a full guide on linking your Hostinger domain with Squarespace. Remember to take your time with each step to ensure accuracy, and don't worry if things take a bit to update. By the end of this process, your domain should be beautifully integrated with your Squarespace website, ready to showcase your content to the world. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy website building!